Welcome to the Weather Centre on Saturday, where we can expect some morning fog along the southwestern and southern coastline. It'll be a sunny and hot day for KwaZulu-Natal, with a mostly sunny to partly cloudy day for the majority of South Africa. We're forecasting a few thundershowers and showers over parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and a cold front cools things off over the southern part of the country. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see isolated thundershowers over parts of Limpopo, with a slight possibility of showers as we head towards Mpumalanga, and you'll see a dry forecast across the rest of South Africa. The weather remains relatively unchanged for Gauteng at the moment, with a high of around 30 degrees, 30 on the dot for Potchefstroom and Mahikeng, with a high of 26 for Ermelo and Bombela, topping 32 degrees. 30 as we head towards Bloemfontein, sizzling hot over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, 34 for Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, a cooler day for Grahamstown at 27. We're forecasting warm weather along the eastern Cape Coast, with highs in the middle and upper 20s and a moderate southwesterly wind in the afternoon. You'll see a light to moderate northeasterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay, both in the low 30s, with a 2-metre southerly swell at 12 seconds along the east coast. 34 degrees is your maximum temperature for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West. We're expecting cooler weather for the Western Cape, 27 for Robertson and Worcester, just shy of 30. It'll be a mild Saturday along the coast between Jeffreys Bay and Muizenberg, with highs in the low 20s. You'll see a moderate south-southeasterly wind for Muizenberg, with a light southeaster for Mossel Bay, but other than that, a light southerly onshore breeze is forecast along the south coast, with a 1.5-metre southwesterly swell. It'll be a mostly sunny and hot day for the Northern Cape, 36 degrees for Uppington, 31 as we head towards Kimberley, and Springbok topping 34 in the afternoon. Along the west coast, we're expecting a moderate southerly wind for Cape Town, with a maximum temperature of 25 degrees, 30 as we head towards Langoban, Lambert's Bay and Alexander Bay, both in the upper 20s. You'll see a fresh southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay, and along the west coast, we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. On Sunday, we're forecasting cooler weather with a possibility of rainfall along the coast from George through to Richards Bay, as well as over the interior part of the Western Cape, with a few thundershowers expected for Mpumalanga. Still partly cloudy and hot over the central and northeastern parts, with a high of around 30 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Saturday.